An app that gives you free money today. I'm gonna talk about an application that you can make money online just by playing games. Yes, just by playing games you can make money online. This is so cool. You don't need any skills, any experience, and it's available worldwide and completely free to start. Plus, please keep watching this video till end. I'm gonna share with you another application that this is really cool and you can make money so easy, and that application is insane. Please keep watching. Hello, I'm Ershad from United Braves. If you've just found our channel, it's about entrepreneurship, success, mindset, online and offline marketing, and making money online. To watch more videos just like this video, please subscribe our channel and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. It's a website of this application that I'm gonna share with you today, and please keep watching this video till end because I'm gonna share with you another application as a bonus of this video. And with that cool application you can make money, and there is a great opportunity for you because just by doing simple things, simple tasks, really simple tasks, you can make money online with that application that I'm gonna share with you. So please keep watching till end of this video not to miss that application. Also, this application is called Play and Win. Play and Win, and this is a nice application. You can play games and get paid just like this. Actually, it's somehow different. If you win, you will get paid. If you don't, you won't get paid. It depends on your chance. It depends on your chance and luck. It's somehow like this. If you're a lucky guy, you will win and get paid also. And it's available on Google Play and App Store. As you can see here, I'm gonna show it to you on App Store. This is the application, Play and Win, and here are some screenshots of this application. As you see here, grand prize over $50,000 as a grand prize. But guys, don't think that you can actually win this amount of money. Actually, the amount of money that you can win is about $10. Each time that you win is $10, and you should wait. After winning, I think you should wait one day, and again you can start the next day for winning. And you shouldn't expect that every day you can get paid and you can win. No, it depends on your chance completely. It is like this, and but give it a shot. Let's try, and why not? Because it's a free money for you that you can have fun, you can enjoy, play games, plus earning money online like this. And just this, you see there are some questions like this, and this is again the list of users of this application, just like this. And I'm gonna show you the winners. I'm gonna show you people that who already won $10, and it's a kind of proof for you that yes, there are some people, actually bunch of people that already won $10. You see, if you on the website, if you click winners here, it will take you over here, and you see there are different guys here, and they already won $10 in this application. And it's a really cool application for you if you want to make money. And I already told you, just it depends on your chance. You shouldn't expect that you can get paid every day, and you can't win $10 every day. No, actually it's completely related to your chance and luck, and it's just like this. And as you see, there are already some guys here, they already won $10 with this application. And you can install this application and give it a try, and try your chance, your luck, that how lucky you are. For example, let's watch this short clip.
Won. I was surprised I did, but cool.
You see, For example, this person already won $10, so happy and cool, and just like this. And the next application that I'm gonna share with you as a bonus, it's make money with paid surveys. Over 76,000 reviews are available for this application, and they will ask you really simple questions, really simple tasks, and you don't need any skills or any experience. We can check it right now. Which skill do you trust more? Just you can choose, and then next, and just like this you can answer the questions, really simple questions, nothing so complicated. Just like this you can earn money, and you see the rate is insane, really insane. 4.8 of over 500,000 installs for this application, and this is the rate. Guys, you can't believe it. So this is a nice application. If you want to make money, you can start right now and install this app and start making money online. This is an app that gives you free money. This is the app makes money with paid surveys, and the first app that I showed you, it's playandwinapp.com. This is the website of this application, playandwinapp.com. You can come here and then install and download the app from Google Play or App Store. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the thumbs up, like this video, subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you. Every single day I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below this video. I'll answer all your questions. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next videos. Please click subscribe our channel. Don't forget it. Please subscribe. Click subscribe. Click. I'm waiting for you to watch more videos. Please click.